going to show you how to use a mini monkey twin carriers for carrying twins. So you've got a waist belt here at the bottom, and basically you've got two pouches. It works a little bit like using two ring slings if you've used that before. The pouches can be moved along the waist belt, so very hard to see on camera, but you can just slide them around. So the first time you use it, see how your babies are sitting. If you find they're very close together, you can just push the pouches a bit more apart to make sure that their knees don't touch. Alright, so we're going to pop the waist belt on our waist, and we're going to clip this on the back. Give it a pull, tighten, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you're going to grab where the straps meet, where you've got the label here, hold it, and then pop your head through the hole like that. If you find it's a little bit tight before you start, pick them up and loosen. Lift, zip, pull like that, and then same here. Okay, and then back on. Okay. So give it a good shake and make sure the cross is not too high up on your neck. Your pouches are here, they're ready, and you can tighten them a little bit before you start. So by pulling like that, to make it already a little bit snug. Now to know which side to pull, you've got a little orange tab on there, and you should have it on here as well, so you know this one is the right one. So to tighten this pouch, I pull this way, so the same direction basically. This one's got nothing, the black one, so we pull that way. Okay, so the babies will go in a pouch, and the legs will come out here and here. So I'll start with one baby on my shoulder, a bit like in the burping hold. Put my hand under, and I'm just going to start guiding the leg through like this, and then immediately let the bum drop. So we've got a nice deep seat, so baby's sitting nice and deep, bum lower than the knees, arms in, especially when they're little. As they get bigger, you can have arms out, but it's going to pull a lot more on your body, so try to negotiate arms in. For small babies, make sure the padding is just under the earlobes. We've got some good head support, and I'm just going to like bring the slack towards the front here. I'm going to clip and tighten, so make sure my baby's got some good head support, and then I'm going to tighten here. So just pull that way, across my back, and that will help me tighten the pouch. Same on the other side. Like this, we're going to pop the leg through. Like that, and again, I'm going to guide my slack here towards my front. So doing that, helps keep everything in place. And then I'm going to clip, and for some good head support, you can retighten that part. And then I'm going to pull again, like this, and keep pulling until they're coming a little bit higher up and it feels nice and snug. So keep going, pull on each side, bring this around, like give it a wriggle. This is the kind of sling you need to kind of like shake it and move it a little bit until you find it's nice and tight and nice and comfortable. I've still got some space here, so I'm going to keep going. What can help is to lift the bum, and this way you can retighten a lot more. It's easier. There you go. I think I'm getting there. So that's good. Safety. Make sure babies are close enough to kiss. With the mini monkeys, they're a little bit lower down than other like more traditional things. I can see the airways, so nose and mouth always clear. The head is well supported, it's really important. So really make sure you guide that slack, you clip and you tighten, and you've got the padding maximum under the earlobe. When they sleep, that you can fit 2 fingers between their chin and chest. For safety, make sure that they are well supported, okay? So check the legs, make sure they're sitting in a nice deep seat, and you carry them upright. Spread the fabric on your shoulders, so it's nice and comfortable. And there we go. If you want to try to breastfeed, you can go to your back and loosen the pouches. You've got a lip here. You see, you can just lift like that on each side, and you can just drop them down to feed one at a time or two, and then you just pull your straps back and you retighten. And that's it. Taking them out is pretty simple. You just unclip that part. You don't even need to loosen. And also it's quite nice, once you have it set, you don't really need to do that much loosening and retightening. Just make sure you can put it through your head. So you might need to loosen just a tiny bit, but it's pretty much set. As they grow, move the pouches more apart, so they sit more on your hips than on your front, so they're not banging their knees around. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.